Last year, our family decided to downsize into a smaller space. I spent a lot of time organizing the inside of the house and getting that ready, and didn't really consider the outside patio area until it was way too cold for us to be able to enjoy it together. We've been anxiously awaiting summer so we could finally get out there together. The other weekend, we made some lemonade, sat outside, and our 5-year-old made it very clear that an empty patio just was not going to cut it. Lewis and I decided to take Home Depot up on their patio challenge so we could find new pieces that would better suit our family's needs. With all boys, it's important to us that they be involved in the process because they like to spend a lot of time outdoors, and we want the space to be something that they would enjoy as well. We love spending a lot of time together, and part of that is making sure that everyone's comfortable and that it's welcoming for all of us. Anyone who knows me well knows that I absolutely love Home Depot. They've really thought of everything when it comes to the things that you need for your home. So the boys may have been a little bit worried that mommy was going to want to spend all day in the store, but the patio section is right at the front right now with summer being here, and we found some really cool things. The boys loved different plant options that they have. I loved all the sizes for chairs and tables for the patio. The pillows were absolutely beautiful, lots of colors and patterns. We found some rocking chairs that were fun. The boys loved the idea of rocking on a rocking chair. We ultimately found what we think would work best for our space. It's not very big, and I'm really excited with what we all chose. I think it's going to look great in the space. I'm so proud of the boys for helping us. It was definitely a group effort, and it was fun imagining ourselves in all different environments. And also, shout out to the team at Home Depot for all of their help. Sometimes a project like this can feel overwhelming, and they really did a great job in making sure that we found exactly what we needed. Lewis and I learned a lot about our little family on this project. The boys were so excited to help us. They couldn't wait to help us carry the box upstairs and put the furniture together. So note to self, but also tip to any parents watching, if your kids are old enough to help, let them be involved in the process because it's really cool just to watch their excitement, and also it gives them a sense of ownership in the space, which hopefully carries into helping them take care of the things around the house even better. The chairs that we ended up choosing checked all of our boxes. We were looking for something that was affordable, that fit the space well, that was comfortable and great quality. So it was easy enough to put together that Dad was able to rotate out with the guys and teaching them how to follow the instructions to get it put together correctly, while I baked cookies, and by the time the guys were done, the cookies were done, and I got to come in and add my personal touches with the plants that we found, the pillows that we chose. Lanterns are always a great idea, and candles. We have battery operated ones. I love adding little personal touches like a picture frame to make it feel really homey. Sometimes pleasing an entire family can be really tough, but we're all really happy with how this patio came out. So thank you, Home Depot, for this challenge. It was such a great bonding experience for us, and now we feel like we've extended our living area. Sometimes we keep the door open and we'll come out here just to enjoy the sunset together. The boys love bringing their toys outside to play. Mom loves them bringing their toys outside to play, and it's just been so much fun to relax out here together. I'm excited to add on to this space come this fall, maybe some extra lanterns, some more blankets, so we can continue to enjoy it throughout the rest of the year.